Well, welcome back. Today we're gonna go to Morton, Texas. We're gonna go to the TeamCrista 4th annual car show. We're gonna go help out, just participate and have a good time. My brother-in-law is gonna take his purple Passion, that purple 69 on the channel. So we're gonna try to ride it together. I was just waiting on him. He had to work a little bit, but we're about to head out, so come on. So we made it out here to the show. It's a little bit windy. There's quite a bit of cars out here, nice ones too. Got my brother-in-law here, Juan, and my sister. They brought their 69 Purple Passion. And I got my little one right here. She's gonna try to go do some racing here in a minute.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! 5.
Who is lane 5? Again!
What's your favorite one? There's a Spider-Man car. I think it's got a web on it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we gotta clean the racetrack. We gotta get it cleaned off. Pretty
Down there, patina gold flake.
And Sammy. How's it going? Looks good, huh? Dang.
What?
Looks good. What's up, man? See you, man. All right. Golly. How you doing?
That was not registered.
No?
Why not? Because I'm part of the foundation.
Hey, okay, okay. Efren.
What's up, man?
How you doing? No.
We're going next week. We're going to Painters for the Scottish Island Festival, and the hotel's free for us.
No, not good.
You're in a weird area.
I let him buy it. He was like, the fuck?
So, how you doing?
Pretty good.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Aquí nomás.
I didn't even know it was you, man. Didn't even recognize you.
No, man.
¿Qué onda? ¿Trajiste this car?
Monday?
You just came to hang out?
This is mine.
This one?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah, that way you can talk to them about it, okay? See what you think, man. There's some nice rides out here, huh?
Yeah, there is.
I'll find it when you're done.
You're gonna do a pet deal? Right there.
Pasó, Ciel.
Rudy.
How's it going?
that shit was fucking funny. That shit was... Are you next?
with his 2019 Ford Mustang GT. In second place with 75 and newer muscle car, we have Andres Navarro with his 2002 Chevy Corvette. And in first place with 75 and newer muscle car, we have Rosendo Alacardas with his 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Next we have the 67 to 72 Chevy. In third place we have Ricky Rodriguez.
Well, we're about to head out. We got first place. They had different categories for muscle car. That's what they entered it. They didn't have a G body. But muscle car 70 something and up. We got first place with the Palomo. We're out here about to head out from the show. Check out this shirt here. Has a 69 Purple Passion.
Hey, shout out to my sister-in-law on the shirt.
She did good. And it's, I believe you can find her on Instagram under Mardias Creations on Instagram. So y'all look her up. She can make some shirts
Shout out.
with your ride. Shout out to her. And also shout out to Forever C10. You go to foreverc10.com and check out some shirts, some merchandise that he sells as well. And we had a good time, so we'll see y'all on the next one. Well, we just left the car show earlier today. Dropped off my car, as you saw just now. If you're still watching the video, I have a little surprise. We're gonna paint the car. And I had mentioned it that we were going to do it. I thought we've been thinking about it a long time. And they're gonna do all the prep work and all that, getting it ready for paint. Then we're gonna take it to my house and we're gonna have it painted there. So I won't tell you the color just yet. Hopefully you do like it. We'll see you guys on the next video.